So I spent way too much time deciding between these two wallets, and honestly, you probably will too. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on whichever one you choose. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Now let's settle this Ledger Stax versus Ledger Flex debate once and for all. First up, the Ledger Stax at €3.99. This thing is basically the Tesla of hardware wallets. It's got this gorgeous curved e-ink display that's bigger than your average smartphone screen, wireless charging because apparently we're living in the future, and it's stackable. Yes, stackable. Like crypto Pringles, but way more expensive. Then there's the Ledger Flex at €2.49. Think of it as the Stax's younger sibling who got most of the good genes but skipped the fancy extras. Same military-grade security, same touchscreen magic, but it's a bit thicker and you'll need to plug it in like some kind of caveman. Here's the real talk, though. Both protect over 5,000 cryptocurrencies and NFTs with the same bulletproof security chip. The Stax is perfect if you want to feel fancy and have multiple wallets to stack, while the Flex is ideal if you just want next-gen security without the premium price tag. So which should you choose? If you're managing serious crypto portfolios and love showing off tech, go Stax. If you want the same security with a sensible price, Flex is your friend. Either way, click that link below for your special discount and stop overthinking it like I did.